1,000 years ago, an intellectual war raged in India. Buddhist thinkers argued the physical world was an illusion, that time was just temporary flashes, and that yourself didn't actually exist. Enter Udayana, a 10th century logician who dismantled this entire worldview using 3 simple, everyday observations. First, the belief that objects perish and recreate themselves every single second, a concept called momentariness. Udayana argued a seed stored in a granary doesn't respawn, it permanently endures, simply waiting for water and soil to grow. Next, the belief that the external world is a total illusion, the doctrine of emptiness. Udayana countered with a story. If a fool sees an elephant at a palace gate and mistakes it for a shadow, that is just ignorance. Human misperception doesn't mean the physical world isn't real. Finally, the argument that humans are just a temporary stream of consciousness, the doctrine of no self. Udayana pointed to basic human memory. The entity that experienced something yesterday must be the exact same person remembering it today. By grounding abstract philosophy in everyday logic, Udayana successfully proved that causality, the physical world, and the human self are undeniably real.